Hey guys, how's it going? Andy Patlan out here on a beautiful Sunday morning. I'm in San Antonio, Texas. We've got an open house for you guys today. Beautiful house over off of Judson and O'Connor area, right off of 35, North San Antonio. Guys, this is a special house. Let me start off with this beautiful stonework. 5418 Stormy Breeze, again, off of O'Connor and Judson. Beautiful stonework on the outside, beautiful landscaping. We've got a corner lot to show you guys. 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths. Let me show you what's inside. This is a special house. This is the type of houses that we really like to showcase when we're doing our open houses. Desk at the entrance, look at that, guys. This is a formal dining area, although the owner did decide to kind of make it his own area. You've got a pool table, you've got you got a video game here, slot machine. So this is what you would call your man cave, but inside the house. Beautiful house. You've got a television there for your football games. Beautiful steel railing on the upstairs. I've got a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and I gotta tell you, when we have plenty of guests over, I'm sorely missing that 3rd full bath. Well, this house has got it, guys. 3 full baths, great for the in-laws, great for guests, and you've got a bedroom downstairs. So again, 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, just a little over 3,000 square feet, 2,000-year built home, very well taken care of, very well maintained. Pride of ownership shows throughout. Guys, let me show you one of the prized possessions of the owner here. Prized possessions. He went out of his way to extend the patio, extend the base of the foundation on the outside. And look at this. This is really where you want to be on a beautiful summer day like today. Beautiful summer day like today, you've got a covered patio that extends all the way throughout. He extended the base about 3 feet, almost 4 feet here. You can have this nice, gorgeous covered patio here. Great for barbecuing, great for your outdoor picnics, luncheons. You've got ceiling fans throughout. And again, that corner lot is going to give you that additional yard space. Okay, it's just going to give you a little more yard than your standard house would. Gorgeous cabinetry here. Gorgeous sink. Stainless steel appliances. We've got a 2-car garage. I can just go into detail over detail. The living room, guys, we've got hardwood floors, fireplace, and look at this. Just a really open concept floor plan. Just gives you all the additional space you need. Great for entertaining. Let me show you the upstairs. You've got the other bedrooms up here. Bedroom 1. You've got a second living area here. Beautiful living area. Great for hanging out. Great for the kiddos to come up here and just play their video games. Get them out of your hair. Bedrooms 3, 4. Master bedroom would be 5. Again, we've got 1 downstairs. Hey guys, let me just show you. These aren't your standard 10 by 10s. These are really spacious. I mean, you can fit a California king in here with no problem. And this isn't even the master bedroom. Again, 3,000 square feet, over 3,000 square feet of living space. You wouldn't need anything more than this. Price right now, $279,900. We want to sell it to you today. Look at that. Gorgeous walk-in closet. This walk-in closet by itself would probably be another bedroom in some of these smaller homes that they're building today. This is an awesome master bedroom, guys. Deep, wide. It's got a his and her side. You've got the bath. You've got a tub, garden tub, and a shower. Call me if you guys want to put your house on the market. Call me if you want to get your house sold. We're looking to sell this house. We've been a little under 30 days on market. Guys, this is a 2,000-year built, 3,024 square feet, 5 bedroom, 3 full bath. I want to sell your home. Andy Patlan, 15 years in the business, real estate broker. My number 512-784-0048. Hablamos español.